Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To find out what version of raspbian is running on a Raspberry Pi, you can use the lsb_release command in the terminal. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. 1. Open a terminal on your Raspberry Pi. You can do this by clicking on the terminal icon in the taskbar or by pressing ctrl+alt+t. 2. In the terminal, type the following command and press enter. 3. The output will display information about the raspbian version that is currently running on your Raspberry Pi. You will see details such as the distributor ID, description, release, and codename. 4. If you only want to see the raspbian version number, you can use the following command. 5. The output will show only the raspbian version number. Here is an example of how the output might look like. In this example, the raspbian version running on the Raspberry Pi is version 10, codenamed Buster. By following these steps, you can easily find out what version of raspbian is running on your Raspberry Pi.